The readiness potential. Back in class 2.7, we talked about the fact that some actions are made spontaneously. That is, they are not made in reaction to an immediate external stimulus. For example, if someone throws a ball at you and you catch it, that would be in reaction to an external stimulus. But if you just suddenly decide to stand up and stretch your legs as you are reading this, we can say such an action is made spontaneously. Or we say it is endogenously initiated. Based on lesion studies, we pointed out in class 2.7 that the supplementary motor area, SMA, may be important for these kinds of spontaneous actions. We also hinted at the possibility that the signal may come from the DLPFC or other subcortical regions. The involvement of these regions in spontaneous actions have been confirmed with fMRI too. But fMRI is mainly good for telling us where the activity is. What about the timing? Turns out, people looked into the temporal aspects of the neural mechanisms for spontaneous actions over half a century ago using EEG. In the 1960s, Kornhuber and Dika discovered one of the most amazing and truly inspiring findings in neuroscience. They asked participants to make very simple spontaneous movements, such as flexing their wrists, while they recorded their EEG from the scalp. At pretty much the area right above the SMA, electrodes can pick up signals before the action is made. Sometimes we call this scalp location the vertex. It is pretty much in the center, at the top of the head. So this makes sense. As they make the action, there should be some preparatory activity before the motor signal can be sent through the spinal cord to be executed. What is remarkable is how early this signal starts. They found that this preparatory signal can start as early as a whole second before the movement actually happens. This activity measured by EEG is known as the readiness potential, RP. Now then, I don't know about you, but when I just spontaneously make a movement, I just do it. I don't plan for as long as a whole second.